Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're diving into Clio Manage, the leading cloud-based law practice management platform. In the next minutes, you will see how it handles client intake, case management, billing, documents, collaborations, and more, all in a single interface, okay? Especially interesting if you are, a law firm or a lawyer in general. Now keep in mind that you have different two products. You have Clio Grow and Clio Manage. Today we're diving into Clio Manage, all right? This Clio Manage tool is going to be useful because it's going to centralize case and client data from different contexts and documents to calendar, timelines, timekeeping, billing, and trust accounting. It is fully cloud-based, accessible across different devices, and is going to integrate easily with Gmail, Outlook, Google Calendar, Microsoft, Zapier accounting, and more via different 250 integrations in an open API. Now you can get actually a free trial by just googling Client Manage free trial, because if you just access the Client Manage page, it's not going to let you access this free trial. Okay, so just Google this and access to this page in here. And now you can just sign in and confirm your email, and you're going to be welcome to this dashboard in here. Keep in mind that this trial is going to be active for 6 days. So let's check the left panel, okay? We have different models. We have the matters, the contacts, the document, tasks, times and billing, and reports. Use different matters templates to present data fields, task lists, billing structures, and workflow per case type. This is ideal for consistent onboarding and management. So you can just click on matter templates in here, and you can create a new matter template. And just fill in the different details that this is going to ask you, right? We're actually going to demonstrate this by handling a new custody case from intake to billing, okay? So once again, let's just go to basically matters in here. Let's create a new matter template, and let's create a new one for, family law and family issues. You can even select like a billing preference. For example, you can select this matter is billable, and then you can select what kind of method you want to use, okay? If hourly, flat rate, or something like that. Also make sure to upload all of the relevant documents using the document section in here, and you can just click on new and upload files and different folders. Now, something that I love about Clio is the fact that you can track billable time by a real-time timer or manual entries, okay? In my case, I'm just gonna use the real-time timer, and I'm just gonna press on this play button here. And time is not gonna tick. And whenever you finish, talking to a client and doing whatever you have to do for your client, you can just click on stop. Okay, guys, and that's pretty good. And now this edit time entry is gonna open basically with this, amount of time. It's gonna set the duration. You can of course change this, if this is not correct for any reason, and you can just find a matter. Okay, for example, the family law that we were talking before. The family consultation. All right. And you can just set the rate in dollars that you want to charge for this time, okay? So let's just give this, I don't know, $100 per hour, and let's just click on Save Entry. And if you go to Activities, you can just find them in here, which is amazing. You can also generate professional invoices with Clio in the billing section, and you can use itemized time entries and fees. For that, just go to New Bills, and you can also record payments. So just click in here. And here you're gonna have to select your client, okay? In my case, I don't have any, but I'm just gonna create a new one. So I'm just gonna go to contact in here, and I'm gonna add the contact information for this client, guys. You can also communicate with your clients more efficiently by creating a client portal, okay? This is gonna basically create like a secure two-way communication via email if your client has access to Clio for clients, okay? Which is amazing. And you can just create like a secure message, a client portal, or an email log, for example. Also, make sure to to use your task section in order to organize your days and see how many meetings you have and the details on them. Okay, so just create new tasks in here. You can, as usual, assign a matter. Okay, and I'm just gonna give this a certain time, which is gonna be this one here, and I'm gonna click on Save Task. And if I go to my calendar in here, you can see that this has been added, okay? And you can edit it from here, and you can click on complete, okay? And it's gonna cross it, which is amazing. So the pros of this is that, this is a very complete and seamless CRM for a law firm. Okay, you have built-in trust accounting, secure client portal, different payments, matter templates. Okay, so you have a lot of functionalities that you can find in a specialized law CRM. Also, it has a clean interface, a mobile web access across devices, and a rich integrations ecosystem. If you go to the apps integration here, you can integrate with many different platforms. Okay. The cons is that the task management and billing templates are basic compared to project management tools. Reporting and customization are very often limited. And the mobile app can be a little bit slower than usual. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. And thank you so much.